and after showing that message we want to die here. We are not going to look for the code below here. Okay, now here let's create the database connection. This dbase, that was the name of our variable where we are going to create our database. New PDO, the first variable will be this one and second one will be user and third one is password. Okay, this user, we have made this variable here, and last one is password. This. Okay, now here we are going to set some attribute. This dbase attribute. In here we'll need to set two variable, two parameter. Okay, first one will be PDO double colon and a double tr underscore PDO error mode, comma, next one will be PDO double colon error mode underscore exception. Okay, if you want to know more about it, setting attribute, then this is the link, or you can just copy this error mode and paste it on your browser. It will say report erroring. This is for report erroring and this is for handling our error mode exception. Okay, let's close PHP tag here and open it here once again. In between them we are going to use a function json underscore encode. Here we are going to paste our variable, we are going to say that connected to database. Now we need to use insomnia or postman to show that if the database is connected or it is showing an error. Okay, let's at first install insomnia. I have downloaded this insomnia core 2020.3.3, this version. Just double click on it to open this insomnia bar. Okay, it's installed. From here just click on new request. You can name your request anything you want to name. Just I'm going to write db connection and this will be a get request, so just be here with get request and create. The URL will be http :/localhost /rest API / what was our project folder name? Let me check once again. It was rest API, and inside it we have a folder config and we have a folder inside it database.php. This should be config. Send. It's showing okay. That means the request has succeeded. You can see. But I want to show that message. To show this message connected to database, we need to do few more things. We need to return from here. We need to return our database connection, that is this.dbase. this. Okay, below here, below this class, we need to create a instance of this class. Let's create it. db is equal new database. Okay, inside this instead we have this function, we need to declare it. Okay, db connect. Now this time it should work. Let's click on send request. It's showing use undefined variable of user inside line number 18. Okay, let's check it out. Line number 8, user variable is not defined, so we miss a greater than sign here. Check it once again. Okay, send the request once again. It's saying error to connect db, no such host is known. That means something went wrong with our host name. Something went wrong with the host. You see, I have given a space here. We shouldn't do this. Okay, now send the request. It's saying JSON encode connected to database. That means database is connected successfully with our REST API.